morning. I am Tiate Chadh. I am from Aizawl, Mizoram. I joined Modicare company on June 8, 2017. And I achieved my title Real Black Diamond Director in the year 2018. With the help of my downlines and the company staffs, I was able to achieve this. I'm very excited that I was selected for the cruise 2019 on Singapore. Modicare has taken me to the place where I have never dreamed of it before. I would like to thank the company because it made me someone to become a blessing for others. Now I achieve travel fund, vehicle fund, home fund, and lots of bonus. I would like to tell everybody that even a simple housewife like me can achieve this title and all the funds and all the bonuses. Why not you? Thank you.